Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today we are gonna craft some cool reversible sewer tiles. So this is another project for the fusion tile system. Actually, this is just the beginning of a big set of sewer tiles that I'm building for one of my encounters. For this project you can download the file of the measurements reference that I put on the link below. In this episode we will build a stride piece and a 90-degree bend. But before start, I want to spend 1 second to remind you, please consider to support this channel and my work through Patreon. Follow the link below, register on Patreon, and just with $1 or $2, €1 or €2, you can support me, sustain me, and show me your interest in my work, okay? Let's craft. First of all, you print the file that I provide for you on the description below, and following these measurements you can use a graphics chipboard for cut out a couple of pieces 10 by 10 centimeters. Remember, that file is not a template, it's just a reference, so following the reference you just draw all the line that you need. After you have done that, you just cut. And at the end you will have the shape of a stride piece and a bend, 90-degree angle bend. Here I have already prepared 4 10 by 10 centimeters tiles, so basically they are 4 by 4 square, and I'm using here green stuff wood textured roll pin. This is just a matter of taste. I like this pavement. With something round, I like this cup because it has a nice dimension. You cut in the center of one of your tiles a hole, a circle. Take your time and try to cut a clean round. Then on your little piece you mark another circle and you cut that. So basically at the end you will obtain something like a ring. Take your time and try not to break the piece, okay? Then with a proxen, but also you can follow my tutorial number 4 to cut thin slices of foam without the proxen. I cut in 2 pieces the ring, and then I use this plastic net as grid. Hot glue, and we have a sink. With my pen I just trace lines for the bricks around that, just for give a nice touch. Nice. Now, following the measurements, I'm cutting 2 slices 32.5 millimeters large and of course 10 centimeters long. Then I take my straight fusion tile system chipboard and I start to build a sandwich. Remember, always put the glue on the cardboard, not on the foam. You will be sure that your glue is not on the holes for the lock system. always following the measurements, I'm now cutting out the two pieces for the band piece. First of all, a 32.5 by 32.5 square, then an L that is large, 32.5. We put together another sandwich with a band piece. Always glue on the cardboard. When your glue is still wet, you have the time to check the alignment of your pieces. At this point, it's very important that we prime our tiles. I'm using here a dark olive green. This is not a final paint, you know. I'm just giving a coat of some simple colors that will be the same pattern for all my tiles. Then, when all the set will be finished, we can come back on our pieces and give the final color, so they will have all the same aspect, you know, all the same style. External line, so you have time to do that. With shades of lighter green, I'm simulating the depth of the water. Now with some normal ground brown, I'm giving a dirty touch to these tiles. At the end, we use the transparent hot glue with the hot glue gun, and we simulate basically the waves in the water. This is not the final touch for our water, but it's very important to do it now. Take your time, and you can also wait that the glue is cold for those several layers. When the hot glue is cold and dried, I'm using here some gloss varnish for have a nice transparent translucent effect at the end. Take your time here. And be sure to cover all the piece, all your water. Nice. Of course, this is not the final result. Also, you can see here, this is just a set for showing purpose. Of course, these tiles are lockable with the Fusion Tile System locks. Yeah, nice and easy.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!